Enti BigsCout na prempe any TikTokers abe blasted Prophet Roja for what he said concerning Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as MPP presidential, flag bearer. Memo nti mu no akire wadwen amame e wo comment section. How you Penyah BigscoutMedia. Mess one say any demo. Obe like video no other put subscribe button na be click notification icon for latest update na be chire wadwen amame e wo comment section so baso. No share for any biahwe. It was exactly last week Saturday and e to aba MPP from come primaries. As omu could choose omu party no to train your body party na ano e dey akọ 2028 general election. It was at the end of the day na busuya you dey see here. Bawumia and a winner. But now before then, no, not come here in campus, Kennedy ever win, Emma even crown. Prophet Roja, okay be. But Bernard can be. Any other. That was ya. Also a buy, that's I want for the attack, no. I could go Prophet Bernard so as I already throw at Yame, just a bit can throw the Asman Kaya or no one can say our force Emma Iron now. No, what man Yame crabber than or throw for a winnie penny. There's an tray, I say, and tray. In the quest of, Prophet Roja defending Prophet Bernard, no. And over to we say, oh, and Senator Bernard, can't you say, I in the spiritual realms, no, can they upon any lead, and some other thing now so. Oh, one way the moon, the which they say, Kennedy, any lady, now 2028, same people from Mumpai, Mamma, and Yadina. Bawumia 2028, and to know. A bathroom crana, even no near what they are, or the better party, Kennedy. And the whom he says still Kennedy and Erinese o master to o doom prophecy no come say who na do to this rune em to ni pass o master te eno ana BigsCout na prempe and many other TikTokers abe blast Prophet Roja say hey onye steady onya de wo kire no ma wo mfa no homa
hey Roja jai sanse hunu no ate jai sanse hunu no e de me sinsen wiem ebia wo jimi no ana wo hu sinsen wiem Ujimi no anu won se sinsen wiem de a won eye no kore umuye ujimi no sinsen wiem mobbo mutim atwantro e de ahye Nyankopon mu wie ya anka wosamode mo niwuo kope baabi tena no sabi mosa ne nam eye radio so ene TV so ana mosa kekanse bunu on enkom hye a efri Nyankopon ho sabi ye wie sa be pa ho achew mo se Nyankopon aka bibi ama Nyankopon na ono ka se ade bi beyeye no o wie wo se meboa edi Ghana fo mo mfa ncheme manhunu Ghana fo mo mfa ncheme Nyankopon ebe hye nkom Nyankopon ebe yi bibi e de akire osofo amodifo aba be hye ho nkom o wie wa pa ho achew na mo fi se Ghana fo agimi on ana die your friend say Bernard ehu ye say me kura me for prophet enso ne din so because me na a businessman yenimo ba na bibinti ya na yempese ye bekasa bibiri ba se be mu piepia mu jimi no e de mu jimi ne ba ye be kire mase aya na nipa binti na ya na yempese ye beka mo nsemo nti Roja we me de ma boko nipa binu nti ana ya na yempese ye beka mo nsem nipa na ba be hye nkom nipa ne nkom hye no be hye no wo se Kennedy leadi Kennedy no ka se wo leadi no na o leadi e wo kwan be so o leadi akwa wini wanka se o leadi ama bibia ba be sinsen wie modie aya na mo ka na mo fa kire kode no makwa ye ne physical mo ka mo betwa ntro na mo fa kire kode makwa ye bibi physical hwe Bawumia oye sereba mu de mon try wo de keka try mon try hwe ade bibi sinsen wiem na Kennedy na eye Bernard eka se o lead no odanwo edi party no so odanwo lead NPP samotiba semububa yete baase semunim ebebu a yete ebaase etmu piepia motona mo kikanse hunu mo hyenkom e de akwa Nyankopon ambemu a mufi se metima fa kwan bi so aye ho adwuma mufi se metima fa kwan bi so aye ne physical moon try se bibi sinsin wiem saa de kro na sinsin wiem no ebeba be so wa wo mene ade na wo se sinsin wiem no ebeba be so wa wo kon so se bibi sinsin wiem etu won kwa na wo di ujimi ehu ade kro na sinsin wiem no na saa de kro na wo se sinsin wiem no a wo so wo di wani ehu ewo ye spiritual sa ade na sinsin wiem no saa de kro no won kwa na ade wani hu ti no saa de kro beba be mia wo mene saa de kro no spiritual no a wo se sinsin wiem no saa de kro no in spiritual ebeba be so wa wo kon mo twantro de ahye Nyankopon wo ti we wo se aye Kennedy be wini wo se Kennedy be wini ekosi sen mo fam ani wo nkotena baabi na mo de komani bre Nyankopon enkan bibia fa nkyerem mo hu hwe ene Nyankopon bi na aka bibidi ya kyerem mo hu hwe wo de piepia wo to fa bra mo de mo fam asem enfam bra eye Bawumia so yene mo be chia yam mo fam jimi enfam bra eye Bawumia so yene mo be chia yam wa hye won kom e de akwa eye obi na se anye ya fa wo jimi kwatena baabi Roja me se fa wo jimi ekwatena baabi wo de wo be se dane dan nyina ye be bo won nsem kan no won nsem a wo keka no wo be se be bo anoma wo be se be bo mu nkyiremu a ye de ani besi wo so na ye de ani si wo so a won hwa be kasa e wo Ghana sabi akokọ bakura no ontie o kasa wansa na be di akire kakre bi na waka na sabi wo didi ho no kakre bi na wakeka a wo didi ho no tena baabi na didi e wa asundwem na wo de sa wo nsem hunu no kwatena radio so na wo de Bawumia so a ade efe ebe yo time afi obebie wano akasa enwansa na be di akire because ebe bon wasam toho a ebe wo de onima kobusa asofo bi no ma enne omato nso ma eno mo kasa kura na akokọ bakura entia so wo de wasam eba Bawumia so wahye wonkom na ambemu a bibi sinsin wiem yenimu ni saa de kura na sinsin wiem no bompa yese ama meso kon bompa yese saa de kura na wo hu se sinsin wiem no bompa yese ama meso wa wo kon remu nyina from ho adifo remu nyina from ho adifo ana mte Ghana ho ana mutu futro de gu nkofo ani na enkom hyen so ye hye ebe be pa ho achew opa bibi ho achew na yese ade kura no wan hu wana wo bo wutrim ebe ka ebe hye Nyankopon abre Nyankopon ka hwenfa nkyere wo eti wana obekasa ye ebe hye Nyankopon na nipa na ba be hye nkom na wo ho a wo hwe eye nya atwemasofo bia no mu defend omune defend because yempene makremoni embedi yaso indi asofo ni nya gange na sabi kremoni no wondi mo so se kremoni timi be vice president a wadi mo so because o mampanyi tu kwan a vice president ene hwe o man so ba esa Jimmy ene peseminkumnya ene Jimmy ntino sankofo we nyina keka bom se yempene an wo ye kremoni yempene makremoni embedi yaso na ade tina yen ye majority na kremoni ba bedi yaso an omde se Jimmy we atu omutirim se enkremofo ne de omo ya kakra bi enu ntina maame no ode ne Jimmy sebi eba bonte be kan se ekro be na abekoso a enipa kuma no edi eye enipa dodo no so osi kro be na abekọ a anase ehefa na abekọ a ubehu se enipa kuma no omo ndoso no omudi omo doso no so even Ghana osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah a waje independence ema Ghana oye debe ni oye nzimani ezima fo modoso omo ndoso ba osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ebedi Ghana so meti ma bobo abusu kwa hodo bebre a omo ba bedi Ghana so but omo ye omo nipa no obedi Ghana so no ofri abusu kuma mu emfa ho eye nimde ni nyansa ene edibu man ni se nipa no wo mfiri dodoɔ mu so wo mfiri dodoɔ mu mpo na ɔwɔ adwene ne nyanso obetimi de aboa ma ɔman na tu mpɔn a adentina mutimi kɔka bom sɛ yɛmpene so nti yɛbɛkeka nsɛm ama na tie nipa no ɛso nipa na saa nkɔfo yɛ ɔmakeka ɔmo de ɔmo gyimi akeka bom sɛ yɛmpene so makremoni embedi yɛ so no ɔmo kɔ hospital na de mogya si ɔmo so a ɔmo mbusa baabi a mogya ne firiw wɔde ne gyimi ɛka sɛ ɔmma kremoni embedi yɛ so da ba sɛ nipa koro yɛ akɔ ayaresabea na yɛde mogya esiri so a ɔmbusa baabi a mogya ne firi sɛ mogya na yɛde esi ne so no sɛ ɛyɛ kremoni mogya anaa sɛ ɛyɛ kristo ni mogya wɔda hɔ wɔde ne gyimi da hɔ ɛmɛ de mogya ne si ne so eti wɔn nyinaa nkremofo mogya agyegye wɔn nkwada sɛ akwanhyia si na nkɔɔfo ɛba bɛ save nipa a aya na woda hɔ a wobusa sɛ masa wo no woyɛ kremoni anaa sɛ woyɛ kristo ni me dem bɛsɛ kristo ni bɛso mimu moa dan ne da nyinaa mo de mo bɛsɛ bibia mo nkɔ na bibi ekoyɛ ma mo mo nja gyimi no.
Hello, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuh. Good morning each and everyone. Nagade ko michia obibiara inshallah wadipa achi nyame onhwe yesu ombo ye ho ban omma ye kwan tintin. Allah protect us from the evil eye and the evil mouth and the evil hearts, inshallah. How do you call it? Pastor Roja. You are still in pain. You are still in pain that the stupid and the false prophecies that you guys prophesize has not happened, has not come to pass. So you are still attacking Bawumia. You are attacking His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the next president of the Republic, by saying he will fall sick. With that sickness, your candidates will take lead of the party. Roja, you don't know. You are playing with fire. You are playing with fire, Roja. You see, that sickness you are wishing for Bawumia is coming to you. That sickness will hunt you. That sickness will attack you. Mark it on the wall where rain cannot rub it. You see, that sickness you want Bawumia to have it is coming to you. I swear to Almighty Allah, that sickness is coming to you. And everybody will see that you have been attacked with that sickness. Yes, since you said you are not going to accept the will of Allah, you are not going to accept what Allah has decided. You want to challenge Allah. You want to challenge Allah. You are saying to God that this is what you prayed for. God has not answered. So you are going to push it further. It's going to end up on you. Let's see up to next week what is going to happen to you. Yes, since you have decided not to accept the will of Allah, we shall see. Roja, we are very, 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 very small boy. We are very, very, very small boy. And I'm telling you this. You wait and see. Yarena opese enya doctor. Eba usu Roja, eba usu suwa. You never get healed. Obi antimi sa yare no bio. Wallahi. I don't know. Make us na move feel say grobi na me di won. It's not by shirt. The powers, spiritual powers. It's not by shirt. It's not by big dress. Okay? So be very careful. You are joking with fire. You are playing with fire. And you know forward to is untouchable. Roja, Yaren eba osu, ya umbwaye. Prepare yourself. You are going to receive that sickness. I'm telling you.
Roja. How many times did I call you? Say wouldn't na wafro afoforo now the bad Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so on. You go see something small like this in the realm of the spirit. You go see something small like this. When you walk out TV station as a radio station, say enkom na Bernard Ebabe share ye no. Edaso ekonkon edaso sensen ho. Edaso konkon edaso sensen ho. Who ye na Kennedy lead party no. Wo party le say. Hwe asiri wa hu se obotam kese a etunu hwe obotam kese a etunu hwe akwalase wo pe adekokọ hu na yeti damraban ena kire no se wonnim na wo de wafoforo ba Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so hu you go see something small like this. Oh na nu ya ba be hye nkoma ma abamunti no Ghana for boje wo so Ghana for budget to trim year de ukotena radio station TV station na wo kan ye wo pe na wo kan ye wo pe ohun time ye si mu no ye si mo spiritual no sunsun mu no asase bo okra na wo mu se bi bo da na wo mu se bi bo da asase bo na wo mu se bi bo da asase obi asase ya sere kura de bre ebre sisi so twa bre guso no pempro sisi so twa bre guso no na wo unhu bida na anu ya wo si ye nyae wo hu ukotena TV so a radio so a na wo kan ye wo pe wonnim na wa foforo ba Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so you go see something small like this. Try it again and see. Try it again and see. Ubanumusu. Amana pie wo hwiri mu feseka. Ubanumusu. Na nso ntimi nkowo yam. Ubedidi na nso ntimi nkowo yam. Mibu ube. Sane oka se obanyansafo yebu ni be no. Misu mibu ube. Ubanumusu. Na nso ntimi nkowo yam. Ubedidi na nso ntimi nkowo yam. In the realms of the spirit no. Yes, you bet shall say bibi wo ho. Who can say Ghana no? E ya wodi ahun. Who can say Ghana no ya wodi ya? Ghana no who can say ya wodi ya? Woni Prophet Bernard ni nyina mu ye shame. Who can say election day no e mabo ensekatwe ni ade beba esi mo chichire ne sane ye. Wo mu ye small. In the realms of the spirit, and soon you are small. Every kura baby, a yakon baby, a yadrun, undru will be. Now from today going on, ye best shen ye may be a man about so spiritual. Now attack okay to be near so better ye jina. So we need not one who see Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia should be my own. Ye bet shiro power of spiritual. Say me who say Kennedy lead party Kennedy one neighbor Bawumia no wo muntam no wo munya tamfo wo munya tamfo wo mu dom ho wo mu ya nuanom mo na mo force mo de false prophecy eba manko o mu adwene ye wontanta. Se Kennedy be camp Bawumia ho mu eso mu kopri to me 2028 ya ense hwe 2028 mo ye day Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne be fro Ghana akonwa no 2029 ne yeso ni in mo de mo challenge na mo hwe ye be chire mo de kituwa bi wo the realms mo yesi mu na mo mayo yesi mu no na mo mai muka se nkom hye nkwan ni di fuduma muka se nkom hye nkwan ni di fuduma on mo de mo try Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebiem ko tena TV station na radio station sa kasa asem ni biem se yesunsu mu ade bi na mo hye pese mo de attack Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia yesu be kire mo say the realms in ye wo ho would you try it and see just say oh say ye body usu Roja ye body usu Roja ye body usu Roja kono ko busa asofo mpanyimfo no ma ba omukọ no omukroma ye din wonim tumi ebi mukuta enso mun kasa omumma social media me kasa woni sunsu mekuta bi mu enso mumma social media me kasa na mufiri se Ghana ha no tumi ni ahon ensuo ni ya enua ni ya ahonhum ni ya enhoma ni ya moye dey Ghana ensuo enua abotan abosom wo Ghana nyina ni se Dr. Bawumia ene beba 2028 modia mon try na monhwe ye be kyerɛ ma de ketewa bi wo sunsu mamma hu ni say yes bibi wo wiase one sa Bernard ni nyina mo ye shame mon share man se jirima no ko Roja ho mon kana no ntum Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Mr. Ochodian Ponyankopon ba de nhira ma wo asantema 2 meter wachi Ghana ma 2 meter wachi osoro ni asase 2 meter wachi wona na musunsu meter wachi wono wapagya wo osoro no omamma fom da na wonnim na be ma comment bi a enya ho me du be jasase na bo hu de beto
kyerɛ wadwen ma me ɛwɔ comment section ayi Penyah BigscoutMedia